Wow, that was such a good book. But I can't believe that it ended just as the best character was about to finally finish her mission.
Cliffhangers are exciting. When does the next book come out?
Not for 6 whole months. This is my favorite series ever. It's about dragons and magic and believing in yourself. I wish I knew what happens next.
Let's make some predictions. How did this one end?
The main character was in a boat sailing to a secret island where the villains were keeping her dragon. She was just about to save her dragon when a huge thunderstorm destroyed her boat. She was swimming to the island when the book stopped.
Wow. Let's make some inferences about what happened in that last chapter. Ooh, do you think the villains used magic to make the storm happen?
The author didn't say that, but the storm did have purple and yellow lightning, and when the villains used their magic before, those colors were in the sky. I bet the author was giving readers a hint.
There's your first prediction. Your hero will probably find that out when she swims to the island. That is, if she makes it to the island. What do you know about the character?
She's determined. In chapter 5, the author says, when Myra set her mind to something, especially when it came to helping the ones she loved, nothing can stop her.
You can use what you know about characters to make predictions about what they might do next. You said she was trying to save her dragon, right?
Yes, and she loves her dragon so much. I bet this storm won't stop her.
You should write your own chapter while you wait for the book to come out.
Okay, I'll use everything I know about this story to write my own version of what happens next. I just might be a writer when I grow up.